Here we are again. I don't know if you can really see the snow blowing across the street. You can see the trees, how they're just blowing in the wind. These big trees just whipping. It's amazing. We really had a mild winter this year and not really a lot of snow, and it seems like now that it's getting to be spring, it's just starting to hammer us. Well, like I said 15 minutes ago, this wasn't here. You can see on my garbage cans and on the vehicles here in front of my house that the snow is just blowing so hard it's just sticking to the sides of everything. I don't know if you can see the snowflakes really blowing by my truck right there at my neighbor's house. You just see how heavy the wind is. And on his fence, you can see his fence there, the snow's just plastering on it.